Hello and welcome to the Thursday edition of the Daily Market Update. My name is, of course, the General Stone, and I do work for the world's best, most phenomenal, most outrageously amazing binary trading platform. That is, of course, bing, goptions.com. Looking at the title for today, Thursday the 24th, the bottom line. Many people are really wondering right now, where is the bottom line in terms of this US fallout? Looking at Wall Street today, it's remained quite flat. Obviously, this is based on extremely poor economic data. I think many people out there, many traders at least, are waiting for further economic progress or further fiscal data to hit the market before they really change their opinion. But we're looking at the Dow, Nasdaq and S&P 500, slightly gaining, with of course the US dollar itself still falling in value quite dramatically. On second point, an interesting one here, and I'm sure if you're from this part of the world you're going to feel this one right now. The Spanish are getting extremely heated and into some very serious arguments right now with a brand new EU fuel tax bill set to hit Spain. The problem right now is they're actually talking about some illegitimacy in terms of Spain's previous fuel tax. I haven't managed to dig to the bottom of this story yet because it's a massive one filled with tons of data, tons of legalese. But basically there's an estimated 13 billion euros worth of unpaid fuel tax apparently that Spain now owes the EU. Whether or not they're going to be completely billed that amount, whether or not they can get out of it, whether or not they're going to agree that particularly Spain's fuel licensing or fuel regulation is completely wrong, it's a really delicate matter, and at a time where the euro itself is very fragile, I'm quite worried about this story here. It's a little bit low level, not many people looking at it, but it does worry me greatly. So do keep your eyes peeled for anything revolving around Spain, the EU, or fuel taxes. Looking at the last point of the day, my favourite point, that's why I've highlighted it. Euro banks are set for another ECB review. ECB, of course, is the European Central Bank. ECB is stepping in right now to make sure that this final few points of new regulation for the Euro banks, as we've been sort of mentioning here and there on these videos, that it gets finished up in the right way. And the ECB is going to have a look at these banks in terms of their loans, their holdings, their assets, their transactional data. There is going to be hopefully no repeat of the fiscal banking crisis that's hit us in most recent times. On the board behind me here you can see some benefits of having a VIP account with me. I've actually just got off the phone now with a client who's decided to upgrade fully to one of our largest levels, over 100,000 plus, and he's now enjoying over 10 assets at higher payout than you will find anywhere in the world. I do recommend, if you're looking to take things seriously, I'm definitely the right man to deal with. I'm very organised, as the name General might suggest. My details here at the bottom. Just quickly into the hot picks before we finish. Euro dollar, I've still got up as 30 seconds, 10 minutes and ladder options. A few of you guys out there have hit 800% payout on ladder options for euro dollar today, and as I reported yesterday and the day before, hot picking it all the way up. Calls are doing you guys well. Gold, it has actually been rising this morning, but I think it's an illegitimate rise. I don't think it's supported growth, and the price right now I think is set to come down from now until the end of the day. So actually, rather than hourly, let's cross that out and let's keep it for end of day expiration only for your gold prices. And just another little link up here, free automatic signals via this awesome website, binary-option-signals.com. Again, my name's the General, always welcome to come see me. Best of luck.